I was over here getting video of these guys, and I was getting a video of that little guy, and he was checking me out too. What are you doing?
Yeah, these are day geckos.
They are cool.
I mean, I got mine.
These little boogers ain't cheap. Holy cow.
Everybody's got them.
There's color schemes going on.
Well,
Did you see the death fainting beetles?
Are the pens free, guys, or are they purchase?
no, they're first. I mean, I can charge you for it if you want. If you feel bad.
$15 a piece.
I was thinking like $5. I mean, I don't want to be. I don't screw anybody over.
It'd be like.
I feel bad at that, you know. Give me that money. If I could get $5 a piece off them, that'd be pretty good money.
You don't have to do geckos anymore.
I know. I can stop doing the geckos.
So give me some intel on the day geckos' care. We've had leopard geckos, but we've never had day geckos. So what have we?
These are a diurnal species.
Okay.
High humidity, temperatures are higher, the UV light, totally different than the nocturnal species.
Right.
So
but as far as high humidity,
I spray them twice a day. Spray the whole cage.
Would it be
Humidity goes up, goes back down again, and then I do it again at night.
so similar to his red-eyed green tree frog.
Yeah. Same temperature. Same humidity, but higher temperatures than the red eyes do.
But she still would provide him with a lot of vegetation to climb on.
You
And
can do as much as you want or as little as you want. I don't do a lot because I don't
wanna see 'em?
I don't want to change all the cages and all the plants and all that stuff.
So you're a minimalist.
You want to do bioactive? Everybody. I mean, I got people. That
I
go
am a
online
bioactive
and
guy.
they'll go,
I am.
You got to do everything bioactive. I'm like, I've been breeding them for a long time. You see my cage? It's a 20-gallon high. It's got some cork bark, some stuff on the bottom of it, and some bamboos, and that's it. So that's all I do.
it's
I-
more for the keeper
you
than
like
it
the
is for
aesthetics?
yes, exactly.
I have not had a cage that looked that nice in a long time. Mine are just utilitarian.
But you have to go utilitarian if you've got a
I've
huge
got a lot.
collection, you know.
So, yes.
It makes
one of these
sense.
days I'll actually make one again and have all the stuff in it, but right now, no. So you can get as fancy as you want or as least as you want.
So another question. So explain to me, why is there such a variance in price range?
Sure.
Is it like ball pythons and you're talking morphs?
Same
and-
thing, but I can't call it a morph because day geckos are a little different. Day geckos are what they call a multi-allele, which means there's several things that go into it. It's not just it's definitely dominant, it's definitely het,
Right.
except for a couple of things. The xanthics, and then I'm still working on one called a paradox. So the blue blood line is one that I started a long time ago.
Okay.
And to get the blue to come out of the animal. So it's different than the xanthic blue. But if you want to call it morph, you can, but it's a little
More complicated
on these guys than that.
So, but because I'm an untrained eye, so I'm in here and I'm looking, I'm like, well, here's a bigger day gecko and here's a smaller day gecko.
But the price doesn't make sense.
Yeah, so
Right.
what am I looking for?
Right. So these are the xanthics. So when they're born,
And what does that even mean, example?
that is decreased yellow.
Okay.
Let's see. I don't have a little bitty one. And it's terrible light, but you can see the heads on these things when they're born are bright blue.
Okay.
So, and then it washes out the whole body, all the red actually washes out, and all of that turns a light, like a powder
And
blue
you
color.
have to specifically breed that out of it.
Yep, I bred for that. Now the blue bloods have this nice blue on them, but the red stays, and it actually increases as they get older.
Huh.
So,
But are
it's a
these
slight-
adult-sized ones, or they
Almost.
get bigger?
Yearlings,
Okay.
so they'll be a little bit bigger than this. They'll keep growing. I mean, they can be 10, 12 inches.
And are they easy to care for, or are they pain in the butt?
Easy to care for, but they're not handleable. They're so
Right.
handleable species.
Right.
So with all the food that they've got available now, all the dry foods that you mix, it makes it so much easier.
So these guys don't get fed crickets and dubias, and so these are the gel eater things?
Yep, they're actually in a prepared diet from either leeches, leaping leeches, or rapashi. I use both actually.
And in nature, is that because they're doing it from
A lot
nectar?
of,
Is that what it
nectar
is?
in the
Yeah.
wild, but they'll
Right.
also eat, any bugs they come across. Now, they'll still eat a cricket.
Yeah.
You're throwing it in the cage, you're going to eat
But
it.
that's not the staple.
It's not the staple that I
Gotcha.
Cuts cost-wise.
I always wondered about that, and I figured
Sure.
that's what the case
Yeah.
was.
I mean,
And then in
it's more
nature, are
costly.
these guys high up in the trees, or are they down lower towards the ground?
They'll actually do both. I mean, they'll come down and hunt, but they'll also go back up.
Okay.
Most of the time, you're going to find them up.
Up in the limbs?
I mean, I have seen them go down on the bottom to hunt around and come back up again.
And then geographically, are these all over like South America, Madagascar only.
That's it.
Wow. So that's
You've got some small islands from some of the other species of day gecko,
Right.
the species, but Madagascar now they're in Florida. Invasive.
well, yeah, everything's in Florida.
They're
you know.
invasive in Florida, although
I think they have
everyone
space
that tells me
aliens in
they're-
Florida.
Everyone that tells me that they're all over the place in Florida, I've never actually seen anybody go, here's 50 of them.
Yeah,
I'm like, well,
yeah.
catch me.
They
a bunch
see
of them.
animals and they think they're
So
day geckos.
they're
or
everywhere.
something.
So, but yeah, they're there. So
Okay.
mostly in the Keys.
All right. So tell me your name and your business name here.
Sure.
Since we're-
Lance.
Lance?
The rep room.
Rep room.
So, yep.
And you're out of where?
Hillsboro, actually. I'm right here.
Oh, okay. That's Scott Whittemire. We're out of Texas. We'll give up the visit.
Cool.
So
Enjoy then.
it was nice to meet you. Glad you guys were here.
Sure. Thank you. Thanks for coming by.
And we'll think about that.
If I can answer